Hello, this is Oliver at Read Motor Group in Grimsby, and today I just wanted to speak to you about the KONA Advance 1 litre manual that we have in stock, available as an unregistered brand new car, but with some fantastic offers. £2,500 saving off this one in the Ecotronic Grey pearlescent paint. This also comes with a £1,000 finance deposit contribution when financing on either a PCP or a personal motor loan. The last one in stock, so when it's gone, it is gone. But what I'll do is I'll just walk you around the car, give you an idea of the features. So it is the facelifted version of the KONA, about 30% bigger than the previous model. Does come with your keyless entry and nice big boot on this one. So a lot bigger than the previous shape. It is a petrol with your fuel cap on the passenger side. And just on the interior, we have your manually adjusting seats. Nice big infotainment display that curves around the dashboard with your built-in sat-nav, reversing camera, wireless phone projection, which is your Apple Play or your Android Auto. USB-C super fast charging points in the front and rear, and drive modes to choose from as well. Just delivery mileage on this brand new car of 12 miles. And as I say, this one is available at our Grimsby branch. So if it is something you'd be interested in popping along, having a look at, and perhaps taking for a test drive, then do let us know here at Grimsby. The number to call is 01472 453 200. And as for me, my name's Ollie. Thank you.